Hey guys! So for today's video I thought I would give you all a look into what I got for my Boxy Charm Premium boxes. And for those of you who don't know what Boxy Charm is, although I'm sure plenty of you already know, they are like a monthly subscription box that you can kind of do like a little test on to kind of tell them like what you like and like what you want, like if you want more skincare, if you want more makeup. And what it is they charge you every month and then they send you one of these subscription boxes. For the most part you have no say what's in them, although there is like a choice option now that you can actually go in and say what would you prefer in your box out of these like 2 or 3 items, or if you want them to randomize it. So that is like basically the only little bit of choice that you have with these boxes. And the one that I have, the one that I'm subscribed to, is actually the Boxy Charm Premium. So it's a little bit of a step up. I think the base box goes for $20 some a month. This one, once it's all converted to Canadian, I think it's about $40 or $44 a month, and it's a bigger box. So like the other ones might be like half the size, kind of like a more little condensed box, but this one is the premium. I've been getting these for a while now, but I haven't really came on my channel and showed what I've gotten in my box. I don't know why, I just never did. So this one just came in yesterday, so I thought I would kind of jump on here and show you guys what I got in this May box. So I'm just going to show you guys what it typically looks like when you open your box. You see like all your little items there. It comes with this little foam protector so nothing gets broken, hopefully. So the first thing that you normally see is one of these little cards, and this one is super cute. It's, I guess the theme for May would be Mother Nature, so that's why it has all those little flowers on it. And when you turn it around, it lists, I don't know if you guys can see, it's too much brightness, but it does list everything that's in the box, and it gives the price of every item in US dollars. The first item that I seen in here that I was super excited about is this bronzer, because this was the one that I chose in like the 3 choice thing that they had like a couple weeks ago. So I chose the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. This one is in the shade Luminous. I'm not sure how many shades that comes in, but anyways, I actually applied this today for this video, so that's kind of what the bronzer looks like. Super nice. I was kind of scared because this isn't like the regular matte one, it's the gold edition, so it does have little like gold sparkles in it. But I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys. So this is the packaging, super fun and it's super cute, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell in camera that there is little gold specks in there. I don't really mind like a shimmer in my bronzer as long as it's not like huge sparkles. This one is more like a shimmer, kind of like a glowy, like a gold shimmer, very little sparkle. So I don't mind that at all. When I was applying it as a bronzer today, there was no like little gold sparkles that was all over my face. So this one is super good. I love this one, and it has that nice sweet chocolatey smell like all of their chocolate products have. So I was super happy to get this one. And if I were to price this, this is saying that if you were to go buy this now, it would be $30 US. So yeah, if this one item is worth $30 US by the time you convert it to Canadian, this would almost be the price of my whole box that I paid anyway. So you get a super good deal with these boxes. The only thing is you don't know what you're getting in them. The second item that kind of intrigued me is this Sugar Rush by Tarte. It's called Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. So it comes in this a tiny little packaging here. It's actually in the shade Peony. So I'm just going to open it. I already opened this just to see what it looked like. It was so cute. Look at the packaging. It's so cute. It has like the little rose on the top, and it's like a light pink. I haven't used this. I haven't tried this yet, but it smells like pink lemonade sugar. Like, it smells so good. So this is really good for summertime. I think I would just throw this in my beach bag and just have this as like a lip like balm, just something to moisturize your lips with. Super cute and super summery, so I am really happy about this one. And if I look for the price on this guy, this one goes for $12 US. So the next thing that kind of caught my eye was this big box here. I was just kind of like, oh, what is that? Because I didn't really look at any of like the preview, like the sneak peeks that sometimes BoxyCharm gives you. But these are actually brushes. So So you get two brushes. One is like a powder brush and the other one is like a contour brush. So these remind me so much of Morphe brushes. They have like the same gold handles. I actually just took one out here. This is the Morphe one, and this would be like the powder one. See how similar they are? So this reminds me so much of a Morphe brush, but whatever, that's okay. So these are by the brand Baddington. I have never heard of that brand before, but if you look at the price that it's claiming that these brushes are worth, the retail value for this little brush set is $90 USD. And I mean, like $90 for two brushes. Like, yeah, the handles seem super sturdy. The brushes are soft, but I mean, $90 US, that would be like over $100 Canadian. That seems like a little absurd to me. I would not pay $90 US for these two brushes. That is like outrageous to me. But if that's what they're claiming that they're worth, maybe that's obviously what they're worth. So, but yeah, I didn't want to use these today to apply my bronzer because I think I am going to put these in an upcoming giveaway. So I'm actually doing a giveaway for when I reach 1,000 subscribers, just to kind of say thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for the support, all of that fun stuff. So yeah, I think I am going to save these and put it in that giveaway, so stay tuned. The next little thing that I definitely noticed was this little guy by Milk Cosmetics, and what this says that it is a glow oil lip and cheek. So it says a sheer blush and lip stain packed with hydration rice bran oil for shimmering wash of color. So I have never heard of this before, and it's also in the shade Astro. So yeah, I was super curious. I opened it up, so I was like, I have no idea what that is. This little tiny thing like this, and it reminds me of like those little things that you got in the 90s, and they were like the little lip balms that you kind of just like pushed up, and it had like NSYNC or like the Spice Girls on the front. So this was super nostalgic for me to like open. That's what it looks like. It's almost like a very pink galaxy, no smell to it. I don't really understand what it is. It says it's for your cheeks and for your lips. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. Obviously, I'm not going to put this in the giveaway because I'm swatching it on my hand. Okay, so the swatch is like very light and kind of oily. So that's kind of the swatch there. I can't put it too far up because it'll like white out with the lights. But yeah, it's like very light and airy, kind of oily. I guess lip and cheek stain. So I'm not sure how much use I'm going to get out of this. Maybe for my lips. It might be nice for my lips. This is not what I have on right now. This is the first time that I actually like opened it beyond its little like plastic protector. The retail value of this is $15 US, which is pretty reasonable. I never expected this little thing to be more than $15 US, so it would probably be like 22 Canadian. Okay, so we got two more items in here. The next item I think I will definitely be giving away in my giveaway. I don't think I personally would wear this, it just doesn't fit my style, but this is the Kat Von D Inkwell liner, and this is a long wear matte eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Dark Wave, which is like this intense bright sapphire blue. So this is what it looks like. It is actually super cute. Like, I love the packaging. It's like this matte, almost like a pointy cone. But yeah, so Dark Wave, this is what it looks like. I don't want to open it more than this and look at the applicator and stuff because I do want to put this in a giveaway. So if we are looking at the price on that, that goes for $20 USD. So again, that's not bad. And if you can't tell by now, all of these add up to well over what you would pay for the box, even after like putting it through the Canadian dollar. So you are getting like a super good deal on all this stuff. So can't complain about that. Okay, and the last item would be this Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara, and this one is in the shade Black. So, I actually wore this for this video. That's probably why I didn't put on lashes or anything, because I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like, and I have to say, I am not impressed. For those of you who have been watching me for a little while, you know I'm super picky about mascara. I kind of have long lashes to begin with, and I really like something that volumizes and lengthens and just kind of fluffs up my lashes like a lot. This just didn't do it for me, and I think a lot of this has to do with the wand, and I'm just going to show you guys. So this is what the mascara looks like. but the wand is like super funky, and I think that's what my issue was. So if you guys can see the weird shaped wand, it almost like dips down. So yeah, it just didn't coat my lashes right, and it almost looks like I have no mascara on compared to what I'm used to. So it took everything out of me to not apply lashes over this, but I just really wanted to show you guys what it looked like naturally if you were to just pop this on your lashes and go. But yeah, so it didn't apply to the bottom lashes super well. It just didn't do it for me at all. So this, I already used it, so obviously I'm not going to put it in a giveaway, but not impressed. Definitely found even better ones from the drugstore. So this retails at about $29 US, so probably like 35, 36 Canadian. After trying this on, I would definitely not pay that for this, but again, you're paying for most likely the name. I'm kind of glad that I got sent that in the BoxyCharm instead of me going to Sephora and buying it and then not liking it and then have to return it. So that is the good thing about these boxes, is that it gives you makeup and skincare that you probably wouldn't just go and buy yourself. Again, you are getting these at such a big discount that it kind of doesn't matter if you don't like an item. You could give it away, or if you know you're not going to use it, maybe gift it to like a family friend or something of that kind of thing. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention about being subscribed to BoxyCharm is that they have these little pop-up sales about once a month, and it would be, you have this little like link that you go to, and all of this stuff and a lot of things in previous boxes are like super discounted. I got quite a bit of stuff from the last Boxy pop-up sale, like things that are discounted like 60, 70, 75, sometimes even 80% off. So that is like worth the subscription in itself, like for me. I get quite a lot of use out of the Boxy pop-up sales. I buy something almost every month that it comes up, so that is just another little perk of being subscribed to BoxyCharm. There guys, that concludes this super quick little video showing you guys all of my 6 full-size items that I got in this May box. If you want to see more videos like this and you want me to show you like what I get for like June, July, August, whatever, I will definitely come on and show you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and of course if you want to see more by me, just hit that subscribe button. So I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!